Hi. Hi, everyone. I'm gonna have to restart this stream because I can't make the verticals go live right now. I guess maybe because ADAM multi-stream is out of date. I didn't expect it to just not work at all, but like it's just not working at all. It's showing an error whenever I try to send a vertical stream to anything else. Vertical canvas video encoder has no media set. Okay, wait, no, maybe I can fix it. Maybe I can fix it, chat. Has no media set is an interesting one. Oh, maybe I didn't update anything. I didn't update anything, chat. Log file show. See, I was planning for this to be all nice. Start output YouTube vertical with multi-stream advanced settings. OBS encoder initialize internal encoder. Vertical canvas video encoder has no media set. What does it mean? So yeah, I will have to download that update and be right back. And that's something that you can't know is going to happen, you know? It's just one of those things that I couldn't possibly have told you that was going to happen. It would have been impossible for me to know that. Also, it looks like my mic's too loud, so let me fix that first. Unbelievable, you know? Set it back to a 10 decibel input gain, and then, oh no, that's still too... Nyla! Welcome in, Bean! How are you? Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Welcome in, Raiders. I'm about to restart my stream, though, so this is just absolutely terrible timing, because my shit's broke. And I'm guessing that I have to update one of my mods. But welcome in, Raiders. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Nyavarr. I am your new favorite fanboy Fennec Fox. I am a variety VTuber here on Twitch, TikTok, YouTube. That's it. Just those three. For now. Facebook, Instagram, later, who knows? But yeah, my vertical streams are not working. ADAM's it's just not working. So I have to download the update and restart stream. So you can hang out with me while I do that. Fenris, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. What's the point of having anonymous follows on if I don't honor them? Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. Belkster, congratulations on first. Kibble, Celso, Len, Rune, welcome in. I see that y'all are out and about, so you won't be here for a minute, but that is okay. But Nyla, thank you so much for the raid and for trusting me with your lovely community. I hope you had a wonderful stream. You were playing Dispatch, which looks incredible. How was stream tonight? Did you have a good time? It was so freaking fun. That is excellent. It looks like one of those things that I kind of want to play. I haven't gotten there yet, though. Can I update OBS while I'm in OBS? Probably not. Don't create a start menu folder for ADAM multi-stream. What is this? Mr. Shiskers, welcome in. How you doing, Bean? Okay. I'm going to end stream, and if I'm lucky, it'll be quick enough that you won't know that I ended it. In fact, I'm going to end it by killing OBS so it doesn't send an end stream, so maybe you'll just get the disconnected thing for a little bit, okay? I will be right back. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere.